Okay, this is the shift pawl that when you shift the gears, this is the gear shift lever here, this thing moves up or down and turns this shift drum, and then this piece here is the detent. This is what keeps it in the gear that you're in. So what we want to do is pull these loose and pop all this stuff out. Okay. All right. To remove the transmission, there's two shafts here that you can just pull out with your fingers, and these hold the shift forks. One of them holds two shift forks, and the shift forks have tips on them that run in the shift drum. So we pull the other one out, and then we can pull the shift drum out. And there's the shift drum. So you can see how the shift drum makes these forks go up and down, and that's what makes the transmission shift gears. Okay. The neutral switch on the bottom of the shift drum, there's this phenolic or Bakelite whatever piece here, and there's one little metal little metal rivet head there or something, and this is the neutral switch. So when this thing makes contact with that, that's what makes your neutral light light up. So we're going to take the transmission out. This is the input shaft and this is the counter shaft, and so with a rubber mallet you can just tap on the counter shaft and pull on the input shaft. And there's the transmission.